Hi, I'm Jacob Green. Thank you so much for considering me for your upcoming event. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the virtual keynote environment that I'm doing for my clients right now. In fact, I just finished giving a virtual keynote, and I wanted to share some of the things that we've learned giving virtual keynotes for conferences, conventions, and companies. So number one, if you're looking for a virtual keynote experience, I want to let you know that I do so from a studio environment. That means professional audio, professional lighting, and I'm not directly interacting with the AV components of the presentation. That's all being taken care of by my creative director and his team. Two, you can make it a very engaging and interactive experience by allowing me to utilize polling techniques and chat room interaction, and also incorporating my Amazon new release best-selling book called See Change Clearly into pre-event activities. And I'm even happy to help with breakout rooms and follow-up workshops and post-event breakout sessions for your attendees if you desire that level of interaction. Finally, in terms of the topics, way before COVID, I've always been in the exact same lane, which is change and resilience. So I will bring your audience, no matter where they are, in person or virtual, a whole new set of tools and resources to overcome today's challenges and all these stressors and all these things that we've never faced before, and create personal and professional success. So feel free to contact me through my website at jacobgreen.com. I'd love to speak with you and love to learn more about your goals for your event and how we can partner together to create some event success. Thank you so much.